Today we are discussing about the permission in Android. For this video, I will be talking about the external storage permission for the reading video files, reading image files, and audio files. For this, we have to be specified in the Android manifest file. This 4 or 6 usage permission for writing external storage, reading external storage, and managing external storage. For this, in the XML activity main.xml file, I created one uh, button and ID provided is btn and the text is allow permission. On clicking this button, we can uh, run some code and it will provide permission to the us. Okay, so now I specify the buttons and on clicking the button, I will be starting I will call the method start permission. Before it, I will run the runtime permission. We check the permission is granted or not, and we can show button or not. So now runtime permission will be method will be called. Inside it, I will be check the version is greater than R or not. If greater than R, then we can check is external storage manager is uh, manager permission is granted or not. If granted not, then we can provide a visibility button. Visibility is visible, and if granted, then we can start the startup. In the below level of R, we can check the self. We can check the permission, and if permission is granted, then we can start the app. And if permission is not granted, then we can uh, uh, check self permission, and it will be on the activity result. We get result and if the build version is greater than R, then we can check the external storage manager is granted, then we can start there. If not granted, then we can take a permission. For taking a permission, we can go to the setting format for managing all media files. In the intent, we can provide action manage all media files permission. It will be opening into the settings format. Now, after launching this, if permission is granted or not, we can go to the our result. Now, on permission is granting, we can start app or we can start any other activity or we can simply toast the permission has been granted. And now we see the now it's in a the code will be given into my GitHub repositories, and the GitHub repository link will be provided in my comment sections. In other video, we will be talking about other permission in Android.